Good morning, student. Now I am continuing here to give you the third video of the lesson. Dear students, till yesterday we have discussed that how Hitler got the chance to acquire the highest position in the cabinet. Okay, so Hitler students was offered a post of chancellor by Hindenburg, the president of Germany, in 31st January 1933. What where we notice students, as Hitler wanted to get a complete majority there, so he was not satisfied by the post of chancellor and announced for re-election on 3rd March. Announced for re-election on 3rd March 1933. But before the election on 28th February, there a mysterious fire broke out, students. Hitler blamed the Communist Party for this fire. So, taking advantage of the fire, Hitler passed the fire decree. Okay, so fire decree suspended all the civic rights, students, and this was that all the leader of the Communist Party were taken into the concentration camp, and by that Hitler's party Nazi became only one party of Germany. ठीक है, and on 3rd March students 1933 he passed enabling act that transfer all the parliamentary system into the hand of dictator. Okay, so Hitler students became the dictator of Germany, and he became a sole power of Germany students. Okay, so he students took two different policy to strengthen Germany, internal and external policy. For the external policy students, he wanted to make a strong society. He wanted to make a strong society there, and that is why students he established a strong surveillance security system in Germany. For that students, he appointed several police force like regular police force in green uniform. Later students we see there was SA or Sturmer troops, Gestapo, a secret police force, SS. Okay, so a complete strong surveillance system students he adopted. Later students in the foreign policy that Hitler students recognize. Okay, तो अंडर द फॉरेन पॉलिसी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखिए फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वार के बाद क्या हुआ था ना कि यूरोपियन संघ बना था. ठीक है, तो जर्मनी उसका हिस्सा था. व्हाट Hitler recognized the students कि there was no है ना मिस benefit of being in the मिस union. That is why he pulled Germany in 1933. ठीक है, and he students degraded also the treaty of Versailles. Versailles के treaty को भी इसने निरस्त कर दिया. ठीक है, and wanted to expand its national territory. And under that students first of all he wanted to make Germany economically strong, or to employ the youth. That is why he appointed Hansler Sachert as economist. Okay, for the developed economy of Germany. ठीक है, तो he students set up a various industries there, है ना, and that remove the problem of unemployment there. Economic conditions students of Germany became better. ठीक है, later students he means claimed over the Sudetenland, a part of Czechoslovakia, as there was the people who were the Nordic Aryans, and he students taken the Sudetenland. Later whole Czechoslovakia students he taken under that. Okay, so this greediness of Hitler students caused the Second World War, because he went through the expansion of the national territory. In that phases students in 1939 he attacked over Poland. So attacking over the Poland students mark the beginning of the Second World War. ठीक है, तो in 1940 students he signed a treaty with Japan and Italy students, that is called the Tripartite Pact. Okay, so at the 40 students Hitler was at its great power, but he made a mistake by attacking over Russia in 1941. Okay, so that was a blunder mistake of Hitler, because now Hitler have to fight on two front, eastern and western front students. And once when America students entered into the Second World War, the complete scenario changed. Okay, and be resulted students. Why America entered? Because Japan students attack over Pearl Harbor, the naval base of America. That is why America entered into the Second World War and totally changed the situation. Germany was defeated. Okay, Hitler, his all propaganda ministers, Goebbels, है ना, get suicide in a tunnel students there. ठीक है, ये कंप्लीट हो गया. अब देखिए बताते हैं स्टूडेंट्स कि व्हाट वाज द नाजी वर्ल्ड व्यू. देखिए नाजी दुनिया को कैसे देखता था. ठीक है, तो नाजी वर्ल्ड व्यू स्टूडेंट्स वाज वेरी सिमिलर टू द वर्ल्ड व्यू ऑफ हिटलर. जो हिटलर की सोच थी वही नाजी का सोच था, है ना. अकॉर्डिंग टू हिटलर, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नाजी, ही कंसिडर्ड देयर इज नो इक्वलिटी अमंग द पीपल, है ना, बट द racial hierarchies. Means what? That he students divide the society on the basis of race, and at the top there was the blue-eyed Nordic Aryans. To the bottom there was the Jews, and between Jews and Nordic Aryan students all other colored people were mentioned there. ठीक है, तो he also students gave an example of Robert Harbinser's and Edwin, है ना, लॉर्ड्स एडविन स्टूडेंट्स, चार्ल्स डार्विन, है ना, चार्ल्स डार्विन का सिद्धांत दिया, स्पेंसर का सिद्धांत दिया स्टूडेंट्स, है ना. दैट ओनली अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रेस हैव टू सर्वाइव. ओके, ओनली अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रेस स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू सर्वाइव देयर. ओके, तो दैट स्टूडेंट्स ए नेचुरल साइंटिस्ट था डार्विन स्टूडेंट्स. एक्सप्लेन द क्रिएशन ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स थ्रू द कंसेप्ट ऑफ इवोल्यूशन एंड नेचुरल सिलेक्शंस. तो हिज आइडियाज वेर बोरोड स्टूडेंट्स बाय द हिटलर. ठीक है, तो देयर स्टूडेंट्स वी फाइंड दैट हाउ हिटलर हैड द वर्ल्ड व्यू अबाउट द डिफरेंट पीपल्स स्टूडेंट्स. दूसरी इसकी जो पॉलिसी थी वो लेबेंसरम का था. लेबेंसरम क्या है? एक्सपेंशन ऑफ नेशनल टेरिटोरी. ही वांटेड स्टूडेंट्स दैट ईस्टर्न यूरोप नीड टू बी कंक्यूर्ड फॉर द बेटर सेटलमेंट ऑफ नॉर्डिक आरियंस, है ना, दैट विल सप्लाई द बेटर फूड एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स. तो हिटलर इंटेंडेड टू एक्सटेंड द जर्मन बाउंड्रीज ईस्टवर्ड टू प्लेस ऑल द जर्मन टुगेदर जियोग्राफिकली. ये था आइडिया ऑफ लेबेंसरम इसका. ठीक है, तो स्टूडेंट्स टुडे बी स्टॉप हियर. नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल गिव यू टुमारो स्टूडेंट्स, है ना, दैट विल क्लियर्स अबाउट द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ racial state, that how Hitler have created racial state students there. Okay, so very means students we have seen that how Second World War occurred, what was the Nazi world view. Okay, so consequently students we will see the coming video in which we will discuss about the establishment of racial state, है ना, और racial utopia. Okay, have a nice day students. Okay.